It's
What's
the
done to it?
NSX Inardi edition.
Mhm.
There's only 51 of them made.
Okay.
You got your carbon fiber 3-piece Meister S1s.
Yeah.
You got your ski box. You got some airlift suspension in the trunk. Your
Okay.
rear engine.
You basically have another NSX that's cut in half that attaches
Yeah,
to the
yeah, yeah.
back of
That's
this
that's
car.
the yeah. It's the second part to the car.
Yeah, so you cut
But
that in half for the mod and stuck it on the back there.
yeah, they grabbed a. He grabbed a just regular fucking rolling shell. Like it wasn't. He didn't grab like a. People think he bought another NSX and just no. He bought a shell
Okay, okay.
and then cut that bitch in half.
This is the hype. That's the hype right there. That's crazy, dude. You can open it. It's so crazy, guys. He's got the Honda bike in
The
there.
Moto
as well, the
Compo, bro.
Moto Comp.
1982 Honda Moto Compo.
It's crazy. I'm gonna
Came
get.
in the Honda Cities.
I'm not gonna go over there because of music, but I'm definitely gonna get some shots of this, some cinematics. Put this
There
in the
you go,
video.
bro.
But dude, this is crazy. This is